Today we learn about farm animals named in English. It is a very useful animal from which we get wool and milk, etc. It is a sheep. They are highly intelligent creatures, sociable and calm, capable of independent thinking and decision-making. Horses have 4 powerful legs, 2 eyes, a nose, ears, and a tail. Unlike other ungulates, they don't have horns. Pigs are omnivorous animals that eat nearly anything that is put in front of them. Hen is a bird. Hen is also called a rooster. Hen is a female bird. Hen is the mommy of chickens. Hen lays eggs. Rabbits are small, furry mammals with long ears, short, fluffy tails, and strong, large hind legs. Goats are very intelligent and curious animals. A cow is a domestic animal that is very common and can be seen often. Cats are considered sacred in some traditions and cultures, like the Japanese culture. The dog is a pet animal. A dog has sharp teeth so that it can eat flesh very easily. Camels are extremely useful to human beings. They are used for agriculture, parrots are not just beautiful, they're intelligent, social, and essential for the environment. A yak is an animal that has long hair with short legs. Bulls are exploited in bullfighting, running of the bulls events, and rodeos. Rats are various medium-sized rodents. True rats are members of the genus Rattus. Tree squirrels live in woodlands and forests in both arid and humid environments. Fish is an aquatic animal. They are mostly found in the sea, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Sea turtles are targeted by people due to their meat, eggs, and shells. Monkeys are intelligent and playful, as well as very emotional. They can jump from one tree to another.